gotta find it, Robert. Right here, Luke.
Gotta learn how to use your camera.
Yo.
What's up?
Bro, we're gonna get some footy. And we're off, everybody. Coming through. Coming through. Coming through. Right in the middle, right in the middle, right in the middle. Straight through the middle, on the left. Coming through, coming through. Let's get some breathing here.
Sorry.
You good, you good. Got some air on that one. Holy shit.
Good recovery.
Good recovery, good recovery.
All right, watch it. We got to tie up. We got to tie up. You got it, baby. You got it. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Tell me with the music. Dreading it.
I'm on the trail.
I thought you were done.
Right behind you.
Walk, I'm sorry. My XR. Yeah, right?
Need some action.
Keep it up!
On your left.
Get it. I'm sorry.
On your right, on your left, left. Nose don't like it, that nose don't like it. There you go. All right, here through the middle.
Good man? You got a bit.
Stick to the right. Chill drag that one. Get some air.
Whoa!
Whoa, dude, that was a good save.
Come on, you want to get me? Come on.
I guess you keep going, you got it.
I know, I'm kind of like, I'm burning out. I don't even know if
Gotta contemplate life, bro. On your left. Good?
Oh my god.
Me too. Made it alive, man. Good race.
I got some really
good job, guys.
All
You good?
A lot of people did not.
Good job, good job.
You had to, yeah.
Dude, that was fucking gnarly.
Dude, that was fucking.
Hey, good job, good job.
I saw that right line after the bridge. I was like, I'm fucking taking this.
Dude, I cannot breathe, man.
Dude, my head's like spinning, my ears are ringing. I'm like, holy shit.
Good job, good job. Got it.
It's meant for heavy breathing.
Good job, everybody. Good.
Someone needs to move this board.
Calling back
repeat.
The board?
Like 6 times.
Good job, good job.
Thanks, man. I'm gonna step off my board.
Dude,
Appreciate it.
I seen you fucking flying.
Appreciate it, man.
I don't even know where my board is. Here it is. Huh? There's a whole cooler right there. They have 3 different types or 4 different types of beer. It's free. So grab one. Good shit, dude.
Is there actually beers at the Starbucks? No, I just saw somebody with the can, so I was like, oh, where's it at? Absolute carnage. It was mad. People falling everywhere.
right?
People nosediving 2 feet from me. Everybody else is I gotta see if I got catch
Wow, man. There's a cooler. Cheers. Hold this one.
And then I got heat warning. Why don't hit like last 40 seconds?
That ain't a good sign. Yeah, no, I literally saw 2 people. And I was like, yellow light, yellow light. I didn't realize what it was, and I was like, okay.
Oh, let me cheers.
Cheers.
Son, that turn. I took this water and I went. I took a shower real quick.
Did you biff it? You go down?
Alright, well, what does this mean? Cheers. Alright, that's gonna wrap it up for now. Got the beer in hand. GT under me. Gotta strap up my helmet, gotta click it in. Not clicked in yet. She was nasty.
Ah, bro, this one sinks.
What's up, Igor?
Hey, how you doing?
Hey, thank you for getting me in there. That shit was gnar.